Hello everyone and welcome back to the Finance Kit. As always, my name is Dion. This is your second stimulus check and stimulus package update for today. I want to start this video by letting you know that a second stimulus check and another stimulus bill has not passed into a law yet. I know there are some YouTubers and other news outlets out there that keep creating this false hype. I tend to believe that I'm 100% upfront with you and bring the news as is without bluntly lying to you. Yes, I state my opinion and my hopes that we will see a second stimulus check, but that is a personal belief. You, my viewers and subscribers, is what brings me here every day, and I will continue to bring you the truth as is. By the way, for those of you that are part of my community and you have already subscribed, welcome back and thank you very much. If you're willing to help today, hit that like button and share the video please so more people can see it. And if you haven't subscribed yet, well, please consider it. It is free, and I will bring you daily updates and other personal finance tips in the future. So, for today, I would like to let you know that as it stands, a second stimulus check is unlikely to happen until July. And if there is a second stimulus check accepted in the next bill, it is honestly anyone's guess how long it will take to distribute those payments after that. I mean, if we judge by the first stimulus check accepted in April, well, we are 2.5, almost 3 months into it, and the IRS still has around 30 million checks to distribute. So personally, many Americans will not see a second stimulus check deposited into their accounts or mailed to them probably until early to late August. And that is if the bill was passed in early July. And by the way, hit that like button and share the video if you believe that we will see another stimulus check. One more thing we need to keep in mind is that Democrats and Republicans are miles apart in agreeing for the next bill. Democrats passed the HEROES Act, which is a $3 trillion bill, and at the same time, Republicans have announced time and time again that they're not willing to spend more than $1 trillion at the most for the next stimulus package. Even with that, the total cost of a second stimulus check of another $1,200 per qualifying person will be a fraction of that cost. So it should be a part of the next bill that our politicians are willing to pass. This is why, considering the wide gap in total stimulus plan costs between the two parties, and in addition, all the details that they still need to work out, passing a new bill by the end of this month, July, is too optimistic. But I will tell you what, I might be repeating myself time and time again, but I am optimistic that we will see another stimulus package and another stimulus check. And no, that is not false hope. Personally, I evaluate the situation based on the news, how the stock market is reacting, how the economy is doing, and based on those and many other factors, I have formed my opinion that we need another stimulus check for the people to make sure that no American is left with financial struggles that will prevent them from buying food for their families, or even worse, lose the roof over their heads. One more thing we don't want to forget is that the November election is still another big incentive to pass another bill. No party or the White House would like to be the one to stand out in front of the American people and say, no more stimulus help, we are done. This, for me, will be a political suicide, so to speak, in the upcoming election. So they will do it. The question remains when and what will be included in the next bill. I appreciate you watching this video, and as you know, I will continue to bring you daily stimulus updates and other personal finance tips in the future, working around the clock for you and sharing my content as soon as physically possible. Thank you if you have already subscribed to my channel. If not, hit that subscribe button and that bell notification. I hope this video was informative and provided some value to you. Like and share as well so more people can see it. Down in the description, you will find other helpful links that you don't want to miss. Thank you for pushing your financial mindset towards a better reality. Until next time, stay positive, master your finances, and take a good care of yourself and those around you.